ESD brushes are an ideal solution for safely removing dust, dirt, and foreign object debris from printed circuit boards and other static-sensitive components within an EPA. When a regular brush is being held by a worker and wiping it upon a product or assembly, tribocharging occurs due to the contact and separation of the brush fibers on the product. Per the ESD Handbook, ESDR 2020 Section 2.4, sources of static electricity includes brushes. Even if the worker is grounded, the electrostatic charge will remain on the brush fibers and/or the handle, being a threat to discharge, possibly damaging ESD-sensitive products. Per the ESD Handbook ESD TR 2020 Section 2.4, a grounded worker should use dissipative or conductive brushes when working on ESD-sensitive products or assemblies. All portions of the brush, both its handle and the fibers, need to be conductive or dissipative. For ESD control purposes, conductive is less than 1 times 10 to the 4th ohms, and static dissipative is 1 times 10 to the 4th to less than 1 times 10 to the 11th ohms. This resistance range is able to remove electrostatic charges to ground when held by a grounded personnel. The ESD brush will also be grounded when in contact with a grounded working surface or the bench mat. This meets ANSI ESD S 2020-2014's requirement to ground all conductors and keep them at less than 35 volts of potential. These are some considerations to take into account when using ESD brushes.